How to factory reset an iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to factory reset it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings application, just like this. After that, scroll down and here you can find general right here. Now tap on it. Then keep on scrolling until the end. And here you can find transfer or reset iPhone just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find erase all content and settings just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find after doing that what kinds of things you will erase from this iPhone. So you will erase the apps and data and your account and other things as well. And after that simply tap on to continue. Then to delete, simply tap on to delete. And after doing that, your iPhone will be factory reset. And that's it. This is how you can factory reset in an iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.